Get the MD5 hash of big files in Python. I have used hashlib, which replaces MD5 in Python 2.6/3.0, and it worked fine if I opened a file and put its content in the hashlib.md5 function. The problem is with very big files that their sizes could exceed the RAM size. How can I get the MD5 hash of a file without loading the whole file into memory?
Break the file into 8192 byte chunks, or some other multiple of 128 bytes, and feed them to MD5 consecutively using update. This takes advantage of the fact that MD5 has 128 byte digest blocks. 8192 is 128 times 64. Since you're not reading the entire file into memory, this won't use much more than 8192 bytes of memory. In Python 3.8+ you can do.
You need to read the file in chunks of suitable size. Note, make sure you open your file with the airbay to be open, otherwise you will get the wrong result. So to do the whole lot in one method, use something like The update above was based on the comments provided by Freric Raba, and I tested this and found it to be correct on my Python 2.7.2 Windows installation. I cross-checked the results using the jacksum tool.
Python is lower than 3.7. Python 3.8 and above. Original post. If you want a more Pythonic, no while true, way of reading the file, check this code. Note that the iter function needs an empty byte string for the returned iterator to halt at EOF, since read returns B, not just.
Here's my version of Piotr Czapla's method.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.